Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through simple interest and compound interest for mathematical literacy students. You're not allowed to use the formula in mathematical literacy, so I'm going to show you how to set your work out. So number 1 says 25,000 is invested at 11.5% per annum simple interest over 3 years. How much money will you have at the end of 3 years? So this is simple interest. So we're going to start off by just writing out 11.5%. So you can either use the percentage button, or you could just go divide by 100 times 25,000 times 3. And that would basically give me the interest. So let's work that out. We have 11.5 divided by 100 times 25,000 times 3. And that gives me 8,625. And so we're going to go 25,000 plus 8,625. And you'll end up with 33,625 Rand. Okay, and that's how you'll set your work out. So this is your total amount. So basically, this would end up being your final amount here, the 33,000 at the end of 3 years. Okay, let's have a look at the next sum. Next sum is compound interest. So looking at your compound interest here, you're going to set it out completely different, because you're not allowed to use your formula. So you've got to go, because it's over 3 years, you're going to go year 1 and you're going to go 11.5 divided by 100 times 25,000. So let's work that out. So we're just working the interest out at the end of the first year. Okay, and you end up with 2,875. So what you do is, at the end of your first year, you're going to take your 25,000 and you're going to add your 2,875 on to that amount. So it's going to be plus your 25,000, and you end up with 27,875. That's at the end of year 1. Then starting off at year 2, you're going to be working out your 11.5%, and you're going to be using the 27,875, and you're going to see how much interest have you accumulated through your second year. So we're going to times that by 11.5%, and that gives me an interest rate of interest amount of 3,205 Rand and 625. Now we do not round up until the final answer, so I'm going to keep all my decimal points. So we're going to go 27,875 plus 3,205 Rand and 625. Okay, so I'm just going to add that together quickly. And I end up with 31,080 Rand and 625 cents. Then we're going to work out year 3. So year 3, you're going to take the amount that you have here from year 2, and you're going to work out 11.5% of that amount. So 11.5 divided by 100 times 31,080 Rand and 625 cents times 11.5 divided by 100. And so I end up with 3,574 Rand and 27. So it's 271,875. And then you take that amount and you're going to add it to the 31,000. So here you're going to go 31,080, and then you put your cents in, plus your 3,574. And now you would still have this amount on your calculator, so you wouldn't need, you could even do like your ... here, and then in your final amount, make sure you've got all the digits. And so we end up with an amount of 34,654 Rand. And here we've got 896, so that's going to round up to 90 cents. And so if we look at the two, you can see that with my simple interest, I have 33,625, whereas if I take the same amount and I invest it using my compound interest, I'm going to get 34,654 Rand and 90 cents. The reason being is that you keep accumulating interest based on the previous amount that you keep adding. So it's an accumulated amount. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe and follow me in my next